In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to research a target keyword. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go directly to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll usually see a main search field right on the home page, and this is where the keyword research process begins. If the page design looks slightly updated, don't worry, the core process is still the same, and the main search area is the part you want to focus on. Next, type your target search phrase clearly into the primary search box. This should be the exact topic or keyword you want to research. Try to enter it as naturally as a real user would search for it. Being precise here matters because the platform will use this phrase to generate the data and keyword ideas you'll review next. If you're comparing multiple ideas, it's a good habit to start with one clear phrase at a time so the results stay focused and easy to interpret. After entering your phrase, look for the Localize Market drop-down menu. This lets you choose the country you want to target. For example, you might select the United States, Australia, or another market that matches your audience. This step is important because keyword performance can vary a lot from one country to another. A phrase that gets strong search interest in one region might perform very differently somewhere else. So always make sure the location matches your content or business goals. Once your keyword and country are selected, click the orange search button to run the query. The tool will begin processing your request and then load the results page. Depending on your connection speed, this may take a moment, so just wait for the full results to appear before you begin reviewing the data. Now analyze the metrics table that appears. This is where the real value comes in. Look closely at the search volume to understand how often people are searching for that phrase. Then review the SEO difficulty score, which helps you estimate how competitive that keyword may be in organic search. You should also examine the related keyword variations shown in the results. These suggestions can help you discover alternative phrases, broader topics, or more specific keyword opportunities connected to your original search. As you review the data, focus on finding a balance between demand and competition. That combination will help you make smarter content and SEO decisions. And that's how to use Ubersuggest to research a target keyword quickly and clearly.